What's up everyone? So I found the steps I'm going to take in 2023 to really take my YouTube channel to the next level, and I want to share them with you guys today, so let's talk about them. All right, some lights. Okay, 2022 was a year of growth with my YouTube channel, and I really learned what I could do, what I couldn't do, and how I was gonna build this channel for the future. So over 365 days, I got 1,372 subscribers, which for me was a milestone I was working towards, just to get over 1,000, which was big for me. Over 9,000 hours of watch time, which another thing was big for me. I needed that 4,000 just to get monetized. So to almost double that in 365 days was a big thing for me. And then finally for me, over 365 days, 197,000 total views on my channel, which for me was another big milestone. But this was, like I said, a year of growth. It was a year of learning how things are gonna work, and now it's time to really build this channel this year. Last year I learned that consistency was key. Over the entire year of 2022, I put out 54 videos, which adds up to about a video a week, take some and leave some, and that was really my goal, was to build consistency and build consistency over this channel. And that's something that's real important for what I've learned YouTube. And it's cliche, you hear it, the more you upload, the more consistent you are, the better it is for you, the better it is for your channel, and your viewers like to come back. And it is the truth. Another thing that I failed on in 2022 was learning the SEO. YouTube's a search engine. It is just like Google. It's just like searching something. And when you need to make a video, your most important thing are two things. It is the title and the thumbnail. And that's something that I learned later on. Those things come before even making the video. It's what your title is gonna be and what your thumbnail is gonna be, because it's the first thing people see before they click on your video. And for me, it was something I needed to learn and still need to learn going into 2023, is how important the search engine of YouTube is, and creating videos that people search for so I can pop up in the recommended and pop up in different places and get viewership that way and bring my viewers back and bring new viewers in for every video I make. That was 2022. For me, like I said, a big year of growth and learning some things. And now I can take what I've learned in 2022, bring it into 2023 and really focus on growing this brand and growing this community and really putting out the best content I can put out myself and learning video after video. So how is 2023 gonna be different? There's three things I'm gonna touch on that I'm going to use in 2023 to really improve the quality of my videos and really ultimately my channel. The first is creating YouTube Shorts. We're in a world where short form content is really big now. It's something that we were so long form for so long that short form is becoming the thing. You scroll, whatever it may be, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, whatever platform you choose, that's where we're at, because the human attention span isn't the greatest thing. So something I didn't do in 2022 that I'm gonna do in 2023 is upload one short a week. And what I plan to do on these shorts is tell stories of tech in my life that work in a way that don't need to be told in an 8-minute full-fledged video, and it can be told in 60 seconds. I can focus on talking, I can focus on touching points, I can focus on little B-roll packages here and there. And that's something I wanna do. And the goal with that isn't to turn my page into a YouTube Shorts page, it's to bring people that see my YouTube Shorts to my page to see my long-form videos. So every Tuesday, a YouTube short will come out, and every Friday a full video will come out. And that's really what I'm setting for this year. Some weeks are gonna be different than others, but the goal is 2 videos a week, 1 shorts, 1 full video. The next thing would be to create videos that I would wanna watch. And what I mean by that is create videos that I would search for and I would binge watch, because odds are if I wanna watch it, other people wanna watch it, and I need to follow those trends and create videos that can really gain the viewership and gain the community of videos that I wanna watch. Because if it's something I'm watching, I'm passionate about it. And sometimes I found myself in 2022 just creating videos just to create videos, or doing a tech review just to do a tech review, and not really having a meaning behind it and really how it helps me. So that's something I really want to hone in on in 2023, is just to make videos that I'm way more passionate about, do the pre-production that's needed, and ultimately make videos that I would want to watch myself. And lastly, the thing I just did not do well was the search optimization within YouTube. You have to remember that YouTube is a search engine. It is just like Google, and if your video is not searchable, you're not gonna get views. If your video is not searchable, you're not gonna get views. That's gonna lead to other videos. It's as simple as that. So planning out searchable content, planning out full-fledged ideas before I even shoot the video, before I even plan all those other things is so important. And for me, using TubeBuddy, which is the app and software I use to kind of search YouTube videos, is a big thing for me, to find tags, find popular trends that are going on with titles, to just type in YouTube videos that I'm watching and see titles and mix and match them to make a video that's special and personalized to me. That's something I'm looking into gaining this 2023 season, is just being able to build off of the SEO and make videos that are searchable, and it's as simple as that. So to sum up this video, there's 3 things I'm doing in 2023. Creating a short once a week, that's the first one. Create videos that I'd wanna watch, and that includes product reviews, tutorials, and vlogs. And then finally, create searchable content and just do a lot more on the front end in the pre-production of my videos. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little bit of how I'm gonna grow my channel, and you can take some of it into how you're gonna grow your channel. And until the next video, peace.